Being primarily a laptop review channel, I've taken it upon myself to review not only more laptops this year, but also more laptop accessories. And how serendipitous is it that right after I made that decision, I received an email from PUNCUBE requesting that I review their latest laptop accessory, this 3-in-1 portable laptop desk. Let's get it unboxed and tested, shall we? But before we continue with the video, let's keep the lights on here in the studio. This video is brought to you by Sneak Attack Design Lab. They're a clothing company that specializes in technical fashion, more commonly known as techwear, and you can see me in their clothes in most of my videos. I've been supporting their brand ever since I met them back in 2019, and now they're returning the favor. Head on over to this link, you can find it in the description as well, to get 10% off your order from their site. Check their clothes out, you're bound to see something badass over there that'll look great on you. Thank you very much to Sneak Attack for this exclusive promo for my viewers. Now, back to the video. The PUNCUBE Portable Laptop Desk is probably the thinnest box I have ever unboxed on this channel. Look at this, it's just the thickness of a full folder. On the box, we can see the name of the product and some art, and at the back we can see some highlighted features. I'm interested in its built-in mousepad, stand, and waterproof features. Alright. Opening up the box, we can see the PUNCUBE Portable Laptop Desk encased in some plastic to protect it during shipping. There are no electronics nor any fragile parts to this product, so excessive protective packaging is not required. There is only one baggie of accessories included in the box, these little circles of veggie leather that you can use to either patch up any damage that the PUNCUBE Portable Laptop Desk will incur over time or to cover up the metal rivets at the corners, so if you store it beside your laptop inside your bag, it's not going to chew up the paint finish. Pretty thoughtful of PUNCUBE to include it. Alright, taking out the PUNCUBE from the wax plastic bag, we can see it in all its glory. Man, this leather is pretty good. It's in this satin gray finish and it just feels great to the touch. The cuts are super precise and stitching looks pristine. There is also a little precision debossed portable laptop desk phrase here at the bottom. Great job on the quality of this, PUNCUBE. Alright, product tour time. Here at the front, we can see the main functional layers of the PUNCUBE Portable Laptop Desk. It consists of one layer of material with cuts made into it, so it can be origami folded into different heights to support your laptops at an angle. There are some magnets inset into the layer so they can lock into preset positions. The first fold is the high setting, and if you fold that over, you can use the low setting. It's pretty ingenious. There must be a metal insert or something in this area because it's noticeably harder than the other parts of this layer. Moving on down to the main plate, there are 3 layers to this overall, and they're held together by these metal rivets at all 4 corners. There's also a little tab sewn into one of these long sides which acts as a chin stop for the laptop to prevent it from sliding down during usage. Alright. Flipping it over, we can see that the other side is totally bare apart from a little magnetic tab at the top and the debossed PUNCUBE logo. This is the magnetic clipboard side and it's pretty functional. Last thing we have to cover is the mousing area. Taking the magnetic clipboard tab and pulling it reveals the mousing area when you're in laptop desk mode. It roughly measures around 6 inches across and 7.5 inches deep. It's mostly for high DPI mousing scenarios like for work, and it's in the same leather finish as the rest of the layers. It's pretty great to have this. Alright, that's everything about the PUNCUBE Portable Laptop Desk. Time to test it out. Alright, time for a weight and ergonomics test. I don't really use my laptops while on the bed or on my lap, but what I do use is a wide range of laptops ranging from small to extra large, light to heavy. So through this test, I want to show how well the PUNCUBE Portable Laptop Desk holds up against these laptops. Pun intended. First on our test is the UPerfect X14 Pro Wireless. Coming in at just 1.25 kilograms or 2.76 pounds, the PUNCUBE had an easy time propping this up in both low and high settings. And since it has a grippy finish on the metal body, it held onto the PUNCUBE no problem. Great predictable performance. Second on our list is personally one of my most favorite laptops of all time, the Asus ZenBook 14X OLED Space Edition. It weighs in at 1.4 kilograms or 3.09 pounds, and it's the closest analog I have to a current Gen MacBook Pro. One thing to note here is that it has almost the same surface size as the PUNCUBE, so it's easily carryable around in the laptop bag. Great stuff! Next up, we have a slightly heavier boy, the Asus ZenBook Fold 17 OLED. This one is a bit smaller than the Asus ZenBook 14X OLED, but it is heavier, coming in at 1.5 kilograms or 3.31 pounds, so the weight is much more concentrated in a small area. As we can see here, the PUNCUBE handles all that weight no problem. Pretty impressive. Lastly, we have my main laptop, my daily driver, my piece de resistance, the ROG Zephyrus Duo 16. This is a monster. This is the heaviest version of this model line, coming in at a whopping 2.67 kilograms or 5.89 pounds. It covers a bigger surface area than the PUNCUBE, and would you look at that, the PUNCUBE takes it like a champ. It's even of a good enough angle that you can see the secondary screen clearly during usage. Great job with the angle on this PUNCUBE, and it's really strong. This is a very heavy laptop. So that's the PUNCUBE Portable Laptop Desk. If you want to purchase your very own, I've added a link in the description where you can get one at 15% discount. As it stands, it's a great deal for people like me who like working comfortably on the go. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in a comment. While you're there, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.